Hey everybody, it's Monday and it's my favorite day because it starts a new weekend, a new weekday. So today I'm gonna go see some prices for the Silverado, the bed, some pipes. I might even cut it today because it's super nice outside. We've been having really cold weather with really high wind blowing. And you know, it's just got way better. Tomorrow's gonna be 54, 55 degrees and it's gonna be pretty cool. It's gonna be pretty warm out here, so yep, I'm gonna go see that. You guys are gonna follow me, so yep. Hope you guys like the videos and thanks for everybody. We're almost at 50K. Yes sir. Thank you, I appreciate you guys. Follow me. All right, let's see if they even have some. Let's see if they got some. Gotta take this bed out. I'm tired of it. Just looking at some prices here.
Okay, so the sheets actually come 4 foot by 10
Okay.
foot. We can cut them down, not to worry, but you may
I don't know
have
how much
to,
are these, the square ones?
once we figure out this,
Okay.
then we'll figure out
Okay.
these materials
Okay,
here.
okay.
So
Okay.
these are your different thickness options.
Okay. All right, 16, right? No, 12?
No, well, if you point, that one actually here would probably be 14.
Oh,
Nope,
okay.
that is a 16.
Okay.
14's right here.
All right. How much are these?
I would gotta check pricing, so we'll get all
Okay.
your materials figured out and then we'll get the pricing.
Okay.
I'm not running back and forth for you, sorry.
No, it's all right. Yeah, can we just check how much is a 14?
Okay, do you just want a price for 148
Yeah,
by
yeah,
120?
yeah.
Okay, and then what size on your square tube?
Like this, something like this.
1.5 inch?
Yeah, I don't want too thick.
Well, the thickness is this part here.
yeah.
So 14 gauge
Yep.
or 1/8 inch?
Let me get a 14. Let me see
Okay,
if I
that's
can-
1/8 inch.
Okay.
There, just so you know.
Yeah.
Okay. And how long?
7 feet. 2 of those.
Okay. Any other items?
Like a metal plate, like 'cause I'm just trying to weld it, like make a hole to the frame and then weld this.
Okay, what thickness and then what are your other dimensions?
Let me get like a foot wide and like a foot.
So 12 by 12?
Yeah, yeah.
And what thickness?
And can I get the 14?
Okay.
And then that's it.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, let's go get your pricing on
Okay.
this. Once you have your exact measurements, and like you
Yeah.
want to have that split, if
Yeah.
you need a split,
Yeah.
then
Yes.
we'll want to figure out like, are you gonna want to put a piece of flat stock over the two of
Okay.
them to tie it together,
Okay.
all that kind of stuff.
Okay.
But this will at least get you going
Yeah.
in the right direction of what you need so far.
Yes.
And like I said, you can always call, email,
Yeah.
stop by.
Yeah, you
We've
guys-
got options.
Yeah.
So right there in
Okay.
the window.
Okay.
For one full stick,
Okay.
24 foot long,
Yeah,
on a square
yeah.
tube.
Yeah, 'cause I can always
Because
cut 'em.
sometimes that way, you know, you can make the cuts yourself, and if you have use for the extra material,
That's
and
right.
By the time you look at like in the big scheme of things,
Yeah.
the whole 24 foot is
Way
essentially
better, yep.
cheaper than
Then just buying separately, right?
exactly.
All right. Yeah, that
And
sounds
as I
good.
said, when you like start figuring everything out,
Yeah.
we'll have to go back in and kind of adjust and see what
Yep.
prices it comes
Yep.
to, because obviously even like the sheet,
Yeah.
a whole sheet is a lot cheaper
Yeah.
than if you're to buy
Just a
individual
yeah.
or square feet.
And I could use it for another thing, you know.
Yep.
That's right.
Okay. So the 48 by 120, the full sheet would be 178.64. That weighs 125 pounds.
Okay.
And then square foot, because 12 by 12, that's 3.125, and that's 1506 per foot. So if you're to add that up into a 40-foot square sheet, the price is drastically different.
Yeah.
And then for the 2 7-footers, each one is 28.24, which would be 56.48. Or if you went with a full stick, and it does include one transportation cut, is 76.48. So you're getting for like
Yeah, just
$20
get the whole-
more.
yeah.
You're getting almost 10 more feet of material.
Okay.
And then there's your weight per foot on that and the weight for a whole stick. Now keep in mind on the sticks, it could be a 1/2 inch longer, it could be 2 inches longer, it could be 6 inches longer. So you could end up with more material. I'm not going to figure out exactly how long the stick is that you're getting. You're getting a 24-foot price. Anything extra is bonus to you. So, and then if you need additional cuts, it is $5 a cut, or we break it down to the 1/4 hour depending upon which one makes the most.
Yeah, it's pretty cheap, the gauges. I'll just talk more about this. Cool. See you, man. Now I'm still debating if I should just go buy something in Home Depot, something small, so I could just practice a little bit, you know, just so I would, because I have a welder, guys, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna do that. I'm just gonna buy a little small piece and try to weld it, practice, record it. But yeah, she said by Wednesday the camera start rolling for some reason. So 14 gauge sheet, a whole sheet costs $178. 12 by 12 14 gauge sheet cost $15.06, which is doesn't weigh too much. And you guys see that, 2 1.5 inches by 1.5 inches, 14 gauge by 7 feet long. Cost is $28 per unit. So yeah, equals 56. And one whole piece of a 1 by 1.5 inch 14 gauge by 24 feet long, it comes out to $76. And they don't even have that one. I was gonna take it because I need that, you know, but I guess not. So I'm gonna go see another shop or something. I should go see another guy that sells steel, but I'm pretty sure they're gonna be run out or maybe expensive. Or this place has you know, okay pricing. So yeah, all right, just follow me. Yo, so we came here to Home Depot and we're gonna buy a little small piece of metal or something so I can just practice my welding, because I don't want to buy a big thing and I don't even know how to weld first. But you guys seen that the pricing, they didn't have it. I called another shop, they didn't have it. I had to go wait until Wednesday. I hope so. I think like they're gonna be stocked until Wednesday. So yeah. Oh, Milwaukee's here. That's pretty cool. Let's see this. Take a cart. There it is. Alright, we're here. And that's not good. I'm just gonna go buy something small so I could like weld one of these and I don't know, practice. You know what I mean? Something I gotta go check is the 2x4s, because gotta see what's the price on that. $4 for 10 feet. Doesn't even say what has it. Two footers. I mean, they're alright, they're good. Cheaper than last year. Way cheaper than last year. Look at that, $8 for a 16-footer. I need to come and buy some because I got a big driveway. Oh, that one's open?
I think so.
That's alright. We got it. $14. Why is that man showing
At the
that?
Home Depot.
Welcome. Feeling about that, the angle cutter. You guys see this bed is like, oh, tired of just looking at it. We're gonna learn. I mean, I see some videos. I'm gonna show you guys my the welder I bought a long time ago before I started doing this. I mean, I was doing research, I was watching videos, and I bought an affordable. Bought it at what's that called? What's that place called? Harbor Freight. All right, so like I was saying, I bought a welder at Harbor Freight a while back, and I got the gloves, the helmet. I'm gonna start learn how to weld because Ryan's so busy, so I have to start figuring it out, see how I'm gonna weld. So yeah, this video is just gonna be me welding. I tried to go buy but they don't even have nothing. I'm not just gonna be. I just told her I'm just gonna go and you guys have it, and you know, just pick it up. That's it. Good pricing. I called another company. They have the same price, a little bit more expensive, and it's in New Berlin, and this one's over here in Milwaukee. So I just go to Milwaukee. I wouldn't drive all the way to New Berlin just to get metal, and it's really close to my house. So if it's sticking out, just get there quick. So all right guys, so follow me in this video. I hope you guys enjoy all the content, videos coming out. I will be getting the dump truck soon, so yep, just follow me when I pick that up. And yep, it's Monday. What can I say? It's getting me stressed out already that I don't even have the parts, and the bed is it's just bothering me so much. That bed is just bothering me. So yep, see you guys. Be straight up, guys, I suck at welding. Never even tried it. I'm gonna be doing this for the first time ever, so I don't know a lot about welding, but I have some pretty good knowledge on some of them. You know, what I'm gonna do or something. You know, it's pretty simple. Yeah, so I'll show you guys the box. I haven't even taken out or set it up or nothing, so that's gonna be tricky. I've got to see a video of how to set it up and how to put it. It is, I got the name of it. It's a flux capacitor.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Cut it. I'll tell you guys when I get the box. All right, I'm gonna be cutting it. Welding obviously a corner or something. Just a little weld, or I could just weld on top of it. You know, just practice, line. Just want something to practice and feel good. So y'all stay tuned. Having these welder gloves for a while. This, some welder sheet metal clamps, and yep, the welding wire basically. Yep. And then this, the helmet. Just seen I never taken it out. I don't even know how to use it. It's just a simple black one. I'm not gonna buy the fancy one, you know. Well, it comes with an extra protector, I think. Please remove this part. Both sides used. Okay, I don't know how to do that. I think they already have one of them in here, so I'm ready to go. Yep, I'm ready to go. All right, so time for me to take out the welder here. That in there. Yes, why are you wondering how my mom's furniture here from the outside, and let's see all this stuff. I don't even know what's that's 12. I don't know. So I'm pretty sure, yeah. My cuts are really bad. And so this is it, the titanium flux 125. It's a flux core. We'll see how it goes. See how it welds. I bought it a long time ago, so you know, barely even gonna use it. I got it in a special when they have those deals on. That's when you need to go buy stuff like this. Bought the helmet, all this stuff for like the price of the regular price of this when it's not on special. And I don't know nothing about this, so it's gonna take me a while to set it up and, you know, get it on working. That didn't come with the tip, but I mean that's pretty much it, right? Yeah. Oh yeah. I don't know what I'm doing, guys. Okay, so I got it. Got it. I got it. Okay. That's that. See all this wire? Yeah, I know. I know. It's all messed up. See guys, that's why I want to practice. It looks terrible. It looks really bad. Oh guys, I suck. Right, so that one well. That one well. Look at that. It's all burnt. I suck guys, to be honest. I need to practice a lot. This looks terrible. Alright guys, so that's it for today. I was going to show you what I do. What am I doing? Trying to learn how to weld. You know, I got a lot to practice, so I'll be practicing. I'll see you guys in the next one. So I'm going to be practicing with this welding, and yeah, it's going to get better, but I'll see you guys in the next one.